By January next year, the government is hoping to begin making cash payments to some victims of Hurricane Melissa. Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. gave an update earlier last week. A team of volunteers, field officers, social workers, and select individuals have been going from door to door assessing households damaged by Hurricane Melissa.
How many people are in the home? Who's the head of the household? Are they working? Are they going to school? Do they now have a roof? What assets have they lost? How is this going to impact their ability to eat?
So far, over 57,000 households have been assessed. Just over 21,000 have minor damage, close to 20,000 major damage, and over 9,200 totally destroyed. The plan is to boost the pool of assessors to 600 to quickly examine another 117,000 households.
Once the assessment is done, the assessment provides the government with a beneficiary list, meaning a list of persons who have been verified as impacted in the household or households impacted by Hurricane Melissa. So if Guyana, who Prime Minister has negotiated with, and they've come to assist us with 200 odd roof repairs, when Guyana comes and they connect with our JDF, it is from that list that those homes or households are pulled, and then it is verified to see whether they fit the criteria for their roof to be repaired.
Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says that same list will be used to select persons for cash grants.
Similar to what we did last time, we did 50, 150, 400, and it's around that region that we're looking at a little bit more for the three categories based on minor, major, and totally destroyed. We are finalizing now the modality for our cash grant delivery, and that will be started in January. We are hoping for January.
To start payout?
To start payout.
There's also a partnership with the World Food Programme and UNICEF.
It is important for us to make sure that we get it right, particularly because we're coupling this with the grants that have been already delivered through our partners, World Food Programme, UNICEF, and also to make sure that we are targeting the persons who have not already, for instance, gotten their roof repaired. So it's not as simple as just handing grants. It's a logistics process that requires significant coordination.